Hey everybody, so this is a little bit different of a video because we actually do a lot of videos on food forest, and a food forest, obviously, what do you do with the food when you bring it into the house, whether it's vegetables or fruits, fruits and vegetables. So there's this book, it's an amazing book called Damn Good Gluten-Free, and I want to introduce you to Peggy Curry, the author, and Peggy, I can't wait to get a hold of this book. You've been showing it to me. Can you show me how to use this book?
Okay, well, first of all, this book, what makes it so special is that there's 140 deliciously adaptable, not just gluten-free, but dairy-free, vegetarian, plant-based, vegan, and paleo choices that every recipe has a variation. Because when our family was first diagnosed gluten-free, everybody has different palates and tastes and delights in food. And so I wanted to make it easy for everyone to make one beautiful meal for your family every night. Because as we know, sitting around the table and eating creates the most amazing foundation for your family of, feeding them. So Damn Good Gluten-Free, I wrote it, and it just really normalizes, food and eating. And how I set it up was every night of the week is a different theme. So it's really fun. Like Monday night is Mediterranean Monday. Tuesday's Taco Tuesday. Wednesday's Wild Fish Wednesday. Veggie Thursday. One Pot Friday. And then the weekends, just so many beautiful things. But one of the things that Mike and I have in common is the quality of the ingredients of our food. And I shop primarily at farmers markets because I'm lucky enough, blessed to live in Southern California. But, what foods that you actually choose to eat and where they come from is super important. So we're choosy here. So we look at sustainable farming, organic, biodynamic, which, Mike is so great at. And then in the book, it's really about, how to set your kitchen up so you can have success cooking. And so, again, I mentioned the fun-themed weeknight dinners that we work with. And then how you actually use this book is there's this whole variation cheat sheet. Whether you're gluten-free, dairy-free, vegetarian, plant-based, vegan, or paleo, there's all these substitutions. And so I have a chapter on breakfast, lunch, and all the rest. And it's just beautiful. A beautiful book that really affords delicious, delightful foods that the whole family can enjoy.
Wow. Very cool. Can't wait to get my copy.
Yes.
Thanks. Take care. Bye-bye.